What's up, YouTube? It's your boy E Pain back with another video. So today we finna be doing some I don't really call it a mod, but it's just like some exterior looks. All I'm doing is basically I'm sewing them rain guards. You know what I'm saying? See these rain guards. Color is smoke or blacked out smoke gray. They say it's color smoke gray, but this, man, it looks black. This looks black. So we'll see how it looks. Of course, pretty much black as it is. But I'll show you a before and after. Oh wait, here you go. Here's the before with nothing on it. And by the way, if you're wondering about how dark my tint is, the back is 5% and then the front is 10%. So yeah, we're gonna install these, and I'll show you the finished product when it's done. Yeah, catch you on the flip side. What's up with YouTube? So as you can tell, it's the next day. My phone had died yesterday, so yeah, I had to come home and charge it, and apparently my charger broke, so I had to go to the store and buy the charger. Then I had to let my phone reset because update. So I just had to show you just now. So it's installed. So I'll show you how it looks. Yeah, let me show you how it looks. It looks like that. That's what it is. It's pretty nice. It's cool. All I need to do is just fix this, cause that's a little bit down a little bit. I need to push that up. That's pretty much it. These rain guards, and it looks like it's finna rain today, so we finna test them out. See how it goes. Same on that side. It's a little bit down, a little bit. I just need to push that up. Shoot, but so far so good though. Easy install. It was just pretty much stick and paste. Man, that's what it really was. But yeah. Yeah, pretty good, decent. Yeah, same on the back doors. But yeah, that's a wrap for this video. I hope y'all liked it, and I hope this stays on. Because if it doesn't, I'm gonna have to go dumpster diving for the box, because I threw the box away. And I wasn't so sure about this because before it was looking kind of iffy if I wanted to do it or not, but it looked pretty cool. Yeah, it looked pretty cool. Look, it look decent. Get you the front view. Yeah, it look decent. It look alright. Sure, I ordered these off of Amazon too. I didn't order them off of the Rain Guard actual website, which is rainguard.com. Yeah, you can just type in your vehicle, your year, and then the brand that you want, or what you want it to look like. I didn't even know that, but shoot, I knew there was shops that you can go to buy it from there, but I didn't know about the other part. But yeah, that's it, man, for yesterday's and today's video. I'm gonna catch y'all later on the next one. I might end up taking that off. I really just might end up taking that off and then end up just buying some more. I might just return that one or give that to somebody and then return out and then just buy another one. So we'll see, man. We'll see. Yeah, shoot, just got back from the gym. Gotta drink your protein. Gotta stay healthy. Alright, folks. In the meantime, holla at your boy, I'm out. Alright, y'all. I know I already ended out the last video about the rain covers, the installation. So this is what we ran into. Everything was good until I hit the freeway, and then I kind of smashed out a little bit. So I don't know what happened, but this side cool. This side straight. You see, everything cool. Everything's sticking still. Everything's still good. Yeah, everything good. The back one's cool. Back one's cool. So, if we come on the other side, you know what I'm saying? That's a whole different story. So this one, I don't know what happened, but that back one. So this is driver's side. So my back left window, it just flew off. Like it flew off on the highway. This one's straight, but this one, I don't know what happened. I guess I didn't wipe it down good enough or something. But this one, it's just gone, literally gone. And I don't know what point of time it flew off. I just know like once I got to my destination, my next destination, I checked it. I was looking at it from a distance. I'm like, am I tripping? Why one side of the doors is silver, like the little silver lining up here, and this one's just straight black? I'm like, oh, I know you lying. It flew off, Cuddy. So I looked and it flew off. I didn't even see it fly off. I hope it didn't hit nobody when it flew off. I actually I called my sister and I was like, hey sis, when you're on your way to your destination, can see if you see it on the freeway, or see if you see it where it flew off at. And then she ended up saying that she seen it on the side of the road on the freeway. So we all already know by now it's probably crushed up, mangled up, all types of bad. So I mean, I guess I'm gonna have to go to probably like a Home Depot, AutoZone, probably freaking not Pet Smarts, I'm tripping. Pet Boys, probably some auto shop like that may have these, or I may just have to freaking ask Amazon if they can plug me so they can give me just another one, a left back window one for Maxima 2012. But yeah, man, this review on the freaking rain guards was supposed to be good, but I mean, it did turn out good till it fell off. Oh, so yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. Pretty much it. It gives a car not necessarily a meaner look, but it's just like some little accessories. So yeah, I just had to tell y'all that. It's a whole other day too. Hey, happy Valentine's Day for all y'all. Happy Valentine's Day for the ladies and the men. Go crazy. Be blessed. Stay safe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I don't know how long this video is gonna be since I posted like 3 different clips. Yeah, it's probably gonna be a 3rd clip of this rain guard. But without further ado, happy Valentine's Day once again. God bless y'all. Holla at your boy, A Pain. I'm out here.